So today we are doing yellow day activity. Yellow day activity. You know what is the color of a sunflower? Yes, sunflower color is yellow. Okay, so today we are going to make a sunflower, a craft paper sunflower. It's a craft activity. For this we are requiring some materials which I will tell you that how to make a sunflower. Now you can see on the screen there are few items kept. First is a yellow sheet. Yes, I have made a yellow sheet fan. You have to make like this. You can take any size yellow sheet fan. If you want to take help of your parents, you can take help of your parents and make a fan of yellow color sheet. Okay, and if you are not having yellow color, just paint white color as a yellow color. Second thing, we are having one circle and I have colored it brown. Okay, brown color I have colored it. Now we need one smiley for the circle and two eyes for this circle. You can see on the screen one smiley and two eyes. Next we need two leaf shape. Painted green color and we have made them a leaf shape. In the next I have rolled one sheet and colored it green. If you are having green color sheet, you just rolled it, and if you are not having green color sheet, just roll the white sheet and paint it like a green color. Okay, the things we are required: yellow sheet, circle, smileys, leaf and a stick and one marker. Okay, to that we will make a sunflower. Now let's begin with our activity.